What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Cocos FX. So in this video, it's going to be real quick. According to the title of this video, I want to become a forex trader. So even though I haven't traded for so long now, even though I just entered the forex market like 2 months ago, I don't rush go change my name from Cocos to Cocos FX. So I've literally changed my name. I've added FX to my name. That's making it Cocos FX. So the reason I'm recording this video is that I need you guys to advise me. I need you guys to advise me. Even though I've seen some people talk that say that forex is risky, forex trading is risky, and all of that. Yeah, I know it's risky, but I need you guys to advise me. I need your advice. So yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is literally the first video I'm posting on this channel about forex related stuff. This channel was initially made for my comedy videos because I'm also a content creator, comedy videos and lifestyle videos. But henceforth, I'm going to be posting my forex journey. So if you're watching this video now, that literally means that you started with me, because if you go to the description of this my channel, you see that what I wrote there is that welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this channel, I'm going to be documenting every single day of my life as a trader. So as I'm watching the video, right now, that means that you started with me. You understand? You started with me when I started. You get what I'm trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that you knew when I started, because you see, I believe that I'm gonna make it big in this forex industry. You get me? So that's why I've literally given myself Cocos FX, and as I put it that way, heaven and earth have signed it that it's Cocos FX. I know it's crazy, right? So let me just tell you something real quick. If you're a forex trader and you feel inferior, that oh god, am I even a forex trader? I'm not living that luxury life that forex traders are living. Come on, you're just beginning. You're just starting off. Like, I'm in Nigeria right now, and some of the Nigerian forex traders like Jeffrey Benson, Happy Forex, I've literally gone through their throwbacks, and I've watched their throwback videos and throwback pictures, and I see that they literally passed through this our stage. They passed our stage, and today they are living good. They are driving their dream car, and they're living in a dream house and all of that. So what I'm trying to tell you is that if you're feeling inferior, or you're feeling that I'm not doing enough, bro, you're doing enough. So right now in this video now, I would like you guys to subscribe to this channel, because this is actually the first video I'm making about my forex journey. So in this channel right now, I'm going to be dropping every single mistake I've made, that I'm going to make, because I know that a mistake is going to come in the future. So I'm going to be dropping every single mistake I'm going to be making in this forex. I'm going to be documenting it. I'm going to be dropping every single profit I'm going to be making in this forex. I'm going to be, just wait, when I'm going to make my first withdrawal, I'm going to drop it in this channel. So that's the reason why you should subscribe to my channel, so that we can relate, because as a beginner trader, I will love, as you too, a beginner trader or even a professional trader, to watch me grow. That would be a very good thing from you to do to me. So that's it. So in this channel, all about forex. Any question I have, I'm going to be recording it, and I need you guys to, let's cooperate, let's relate, let's build a community of like-minded people. Let's build a community of great mindset people. You get me? So that's the kind of vibe I need. So if you're a beginner trader, consider subscribing to this channel. I'm going to be dropping videos, not often, but maybe once in a week or twice in a week, based on, as a forex trader, you guys get some side hustle, and this is my side hustle. I do site work, I do concrete work. So the reason I'm snapping out this site work and country work is because I know that my future is going to be bright, and my channel is going to be big. So when I'm going to make it big, I'm going to be posting this picture, and people be like, what is this Cocos FX? And that will be a very, very big motivation to the newbies that is going to be coming up then. You get me? So thank you for watching this video. This video is going to be short review. I'm going to be ending it right now because it's almost 4:51 minutes. I even wanted to I wanted it to be more longer than this, but due to the storage of my phone, it's my iPhone 7, they worry me. So this is due to the storage of my phone, storage capacity is not enough. So I have to end the video right here. But in summary of all everything about I said about this video is that I'm documenting my forex journey starting from every single mistake and every single question and every single win and every single psychological fact. I'm going to be dropping it here. So consider subscribe to my channel and let's build Kokus FX. And as I'm building my own, make sure that you open your own YouTube channel and document your journey so that your kids will watch it 5 years from now and see like, oh dad, this way you started and tell them see grind hard. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Peace.